Hi, it's Lauren, and I'm excited to share with you the new Blending In 3x4 clear stamp set and its coordinating dies. And how cute is this stamp set? I absolutely love all these cute dogs with that hidden little cat in the bottom row, and the corresponding die makes it so easy to cut out this image, as well as the adorable woof sentiment and the paw prints. So here you can see that the die has 4 dies total that correspond with those 4 stamps. So let's go ahead and stamp these images out. I have some white cardstock and I'm just going to be using some black ink. I am stamping out this little cluster of dogs plus a little hidden cat. There are 16 critters altogether, and this stamp is 3 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. We have our woof sentiment, which is 1.25 inch wide by 3/8 inch tall. Our largest paw print is about a 1/2 inch squared, and the smaller footprint is about 3/8 of an inch squared. So here are all those images stamped out. I absolutely love this stamp set. And here you can see I have cut it out with its coordinating dies to create a seamless image, as well as the around our sentiment and around our 2 paw prints. I love that Whimsy created corresponding dies to go with these images. It really makes stamping and using these adorable critters as well as the sentiment and paw print so easy to use. I've used this adorable set along with the new Slimline black and white dog prints paper that also released today to create this fun card. I hope you enjoy this new stamp set as well as all of the brand new releases out today. Don't forget to head over to Whimsy Stamps social media on Instagram and Pinterest, as well as our Facebook group for more inspiration using this stamp set. Thank you so much for watching, and remember how much we appreciate you as customers of Whimsy.